Want to exit Rule 14A and move to the normal GST scheme? Before knowing how to apply, first understand these important conditions. If you took GST registration under Rule 14A and now want to shift to the normal or regular GST scheme, here is what you need to know. Taxpayers registered under Rule 14A can opt out, but certain conditions must be fulfilled. You can apply for withdrawal if your monthly output tax liabilities exceeds 2.5 lakh or for any other valid reason. Before applying, make sure all pending GST returns have been filed and all pending tax liabilities have been paid. If you apply on or after 1st April 2026, at least one tax period return must have been filed. Also remember, if cancellation proceedings have already been initiated against you, your withdrawal application may be rejected. Another important point, if any registration details need to be changed, update them before applying for withdrawal.
Now, let's see how to apply for Rule 14A withdrawal and shift to the regular GST scheme on the GST portal. Go to Registration and select Rule 14A withdrawal. Fill in the required business details. Under Rule 14A, choose the appropriate reason. You can select either output tax liability exceeds 2.5 lakh or other, depending on your case. In this example, I'm selecting output tax liability exceeds 2.5 lakh. Click Continue. On the Promoter Details page, you don't need to make any changes unless you want to update your registration details. If any details need to be changed, update them before applying for withdrawal. Click Continue again. Review all the details carefully. If everything is correct, keep clicking Continue until you reach the verification section. Here, select the authorized signatory, enter the place, and verify the application through OTP. Your withdrawal application has now been submitted successfully. After some time, you'll receive an Aadhaar authentication link on your registered email. Complete the authentication as required. Now, you can check the application status. Go to Services, My Saved Applications, and you'll see the application showing pending for clarification. In this client's case, the proper officer issued a clarification notice a few days after the application was filed. To respond, go to Registration, Application for Clarification, enter the ARN, and click Search. Here, you need to submit your reply. In this case, the officer asked for proof of the business address again. So, upload the required supporting documents, verify the response through OTP, and submit it. After that, you can track the application status again. Go to Registration, Track Application Status, enter the ARN, and click Search. Initially, the status may show Clarification Pending for Order. After a few days, the application was approved and the taxpayer was shifted to the normal GST scheme. Now, if you check the registration menu, you'll notice that the Rule 14A withdrawal option has been removed. This indicates that the taxpayer has successfully shifted to the normal GST registration scheme. You can then download the updated GST certificate. In the certificate, you can see that the date of issue of certificate is the date on which the application was approved. From the first day of the following month, the taxpayer can start operating under the normal GST scheme. And that's how you can successfully opt out of Rule 14A and move to the regular GST scheme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tax Clarity for more GST and income tax updates.